Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a product page on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is go to catalog, and then here you're going to find sort product, product, inventory, categories, and so on. So right now go to products. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the products you have. If you still haven't added a product yet, if you want to add a product, just go to new product here in the top and then choose if you want to add a physical product or a digital file. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in this page. So once you're here, just fill this with all of the product informations. You can add the images or videos of the products, the product name, ribbon description, and so on. And once you finish, click on save. And after that, your products will be added to this list. Once you add your products, go to the bottom here and click on edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to the Wix website editor. So just wait for this page to load. And then once loaded, if you want to go to your products page, just go to pages and menu here, and then go ahead and click on store pages, and here you're going to find products page. Go ahead and give it a click, and then this is how it will look like. So right here, as you can see guys, if you want to customize the products page, go ahead and click on quick edit, and then here you can change the background, and you can also manage your products from here. Once you finish, don't forget to save your changes, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.